Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill Class 5 English version Math. Exercise 3. Question 7. Mr. Jalal's monthly salary is 8,765 taka. Every month he spends 3,225 taka on house rent and 4,850 taka on other items, and he saves the rest of the money in a bank. What will be his savings in 8 months? We have to find the monthly savings. Then we can get the saving in 8 months. And how we get monthly savings? If we deduct our expenditure from our salary, we get the savings. Okay, monthly salary minus monthly total expenditure or expense, whatever, total expense equals to monthly savings. Monthly savings means savings in 1 month. Okay, now we already got the monthly salary. So we have to find the monthly total expense. How we get total expense? We have to add all expenditure. What all are our expense? First is what he spends on house rent. So monthly house rent. Monthly house rent. How much? 3,225 equals to 3,225 taka. Then next, he spends 4,850 on other items. Monthly other expense. How much? 4,850 taka. And how we get the total expense? By addition. So we add total monthly total expense equals to 5, 7, 0, 7 and 1, 8. 8,075 taka. 8,075 taka. This is total expense. Now we can get the monthly savings. Therefore, monthly savings equals to monthly salary 8,765 minus 8,075 taka equals to how much? 8,765 minus 8,075 equals to 690 taka. So if in 1 month he saves 690 taka, in 8 months he saves 8,075 he saves how much? 8 into 690 টাকা, and 690, if we multiply 690 and 8 multiply 0 to 72 to 7, 48 and 7, 48 and 7, 55, 55. So 5,520 equals to 5,520 টাকা, and this is the answer, 5,520 টাকা. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.